Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share the process of making a new generator.
Right.
First, we prepare this copper wire wound around this water pipe. Take a look at the thickness and length. Roughly between 6 to 8 centimeters of the pipe. Take out a small wooden block like this.
Default.
It doesn't need to be particularly big. Just similar to the one in the video. Next, place the magnetic wire on it in the right position. Then take out a hot glue gun and drip hot glue on it. Just drip a little bit. That's enough. Stick it on. Align it properly. Okay, this is what it looks like when it's glued. Next, take out our 2 small copper tubes. Then, put it aside for now. First, take out the hot melt glue and drop it on the left and right sides. First, drop it on the left side of the first position to stick it, and then drop a bit on the right side to stick it. Okay, now it's glued. Wrap the excess copper wire around the copper tube.
Hello.
The same on both sides. It's already connected here. Let's take a look. It's very simple. Prepare another large wooden board, much bigger than this one. Look at it again. Pass it through the middle from above. Stick it on. And then take out our sign like this. Then adhere it firmly underneath. And if positioned properly, everyone can see the video is done. Then take out a high-speed motor like this, 220 volts on this motor. Stick this magnet on the tail part, as you can see, then stick it in this position. Alright, giving it a twist here shows that the fastening sturdiness is not an issue. Next, take out a piece of our wire and place it on the 2 welded copper pipes. Weld firmly. Position this wire properly.
Thank you, everyone.
Of course, then we have completed our placement step here. Take out these 2 U-shaped magnets. Put it into the tube that is wrapped with the wire. Okay, it's in. Next, take out 2 wires like this. 1 red and 1 black. Solder them onto this motor's left and right sides. First solder the black on the left side, and then the red on the right side. After connecting the power, it can generate electricity, producing 220 volts. Household appliances like ours, such as light bulbs, can be easily powered. What do you think? After plugging in our power, this motor generates electricity. It means providing force. Afterwards, we can remove it, and it will keep generating electricity continuously. Isn't it amazing? The production method is also very simple. If interested, give a free follow or a free like. Thank you everyone. More wonderful small generator tutorials will be released next. Thank you for your support.